I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a Chinese spicy shrimp and vegetable stir-fry. It's quick, easy, spicy, and delicious. Stay tuned. First, I'm marinating my shrimp. I have a pound of 1620 shrimp that I peeled, cleaned, and deveined. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mixing that well, covering, and marinating for about 15 minutes, and that's enough time to get all my vegetables prepped and ready. I have some green beans I need to use, so I cut them in half, and I'm blanching them for 30 seconds to a minute just to soften, and then I'm putting them in a cold water bath to stop the cooking process. You can just stir fry these green beans for about 3 minutes, but I like the texture of blanching. For the Chinese spicy sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Hoison sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, and you can make this as spicy as you like, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. Okay, I think we are ready to start cooking. I'm using my wok tonight, but you can use any pan. I have my heat on medium-high, and I'm adding enough oil to coat the wok, and I'm adding in my shrimp. These will only take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. In the last minute of cooking, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and sliced ginger. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then removing from the pan. In the same wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in another 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 small diced onion, and a half of a red and yellow bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm adding in my blanched green beans. I just love all those colors. After I give the green beans a good toss, I'm adding the shrimp back into the wok, and I'm pouring over the spicy sauce. Giving that a good stir to combine, and we are done. It is that quick and easy. You can make this Chinese shrimp stir fry as spicy as you like it, use the vegetables that you like, and you can serve it with rice or noodles. If you like shrimp and you like spicy, you are going to enjoy this Chinese spicy shrimp stir fry. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!